So it's interesting because TikTok is a client of yours, and I know that you've known and worked with Kevin Mayer for many years, but you also advise many chief marketing officers at various brands, and you also work with the advertising agencies. You have said that you believe that TikTok and its survival is essential for the advertising landscape. Why is that?
Well, I think competitive friction is a good thing, Julia. And, we're proud to say that we work with all the primary platforms and publishers. And we believe, based on the conversations we've had with the largest advertising agency holding companies and the brands themselves at the chief marketing officer and chief media officer levels, have been very supportive of TikTok in the marketplace. They reach a particular demo in an extremely effective way. And I would say that the marketing industry is kind of staying above the fray of the politics in this consideration, but are looking at the competitive nature. And again, the demographic that TikTok seems to reach so effectively in a fair and open competitive market, which I think we are all prideful of, generally speaking, in the United States.
Well, Michael, it's interesting because Kevin Mayer was really brought in to build TikTok's advertising business, still relatively nascent considering how many users it has, 100 million monthly active users. Give me a sense of how you see TikTok trying to build its credibility and its relationship with brands right now, and how important it is to TikTok to be able to shrug off these regulatory issues simply to be able to reassure advertisers that it's going to be an ongoing concern.
Well, I think it's one of those times where we have a bit of a disconnect between maybe, I don't want to say Wall Street in this case, but two different streets. The street where advertisers are making decisions and the street where the press and others are playing out a political intrigue. They both play here, and certainly it's a bit of a cloud, but I don't think it's getting in the way of the advertisers making the decisions. And look, talking about Kevin Mayer, I'm proud to say Kevin's been a friend and an associate for many years, but all one needs to do is look at the success that he had launching Disney Plus, maybe one of the most successful consumer launches in history to get to the levels they did. So I think, it was a good bet for TikTok to choose somebody like Kevin. And again, his experience, I think, will bode well. But I want to get back to what the marketers are saying, because, it's an old fashioned expression, don't read people's lips, watch their feet. The marketers that we've spoken to and interacted with are very, very supportive of TikTok, as I said, in a way to reach a prize demo. And, I do my own sort of mother-in-law research, and I watch my kids and grandkids, mostly my grandkids in this case, who are interacting all the time with TikTok. And, therefore, if you're interested in reaching those people who are going to be making the purchase decisions sooner than later, it's a great place to do it. So, again, it's a competitive player. And if you clear whatever the cloud might be, I think you have a winner in terms of what they can capture in the advertising space.